How are you? Good morning to all and Jai Swaminarayan. Today we are going to learn chapter 7 fraction and decimal. Okay? First we see the introduction. Whenever we have situation we are dealing with equal parts of a wall, we use fraction. A fraction is a number that represents a part of wall. The wall may be a single object or a group of objects. All parts of a fraction should be equal. 1 out of 5 parts of the chocolate is selected. Here we see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts. Okay. So how we write this? 1 upon 5. This is fraction. Total part 5. Here I select one part. So fraction is 1 upon 5. Okay. In this way I select in this way I select six part of pizza. Okay. Here I draw its figure. Here this is pizza. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here I show 6 part. Okay. If I want to make 2 part fraction, then I draw here new figure. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So fraction will be made 2 upon 6. Here 2 is numerator and 6 is D ન્યુમરેટર. આનું શું કરશો સાહેબ? હે, I select 6 part of pizza 1 2 3 4 5 6 and I made the fraction 2 part. Here you can see 2 part is separate and 4 part are separate. So here 2 is fraction will become 2 upon 6. 2 is numerator and 6 is denominator. A fraction. A fraction made up of two numbers. The denominator and the numerator. And numerator. Okay, like this 5 upon 12. Here 5 is numerator and 12 is denominator. Okay, to represent any situation involving equal part of whole or group, simply look at the total parts and the parts being considered to identify the denominator and numerator respectively. See here, this is the circle. It divided into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, total parts I made 10. Now shaded part. Shaded part is 1. So fraction will become total part are 10. So fraction will become 1 upon 10. 1 is numerator and 10 is denominator. Okay? In this way, any object we can divide into different type of part, okay, and it will make the fraction. We see more example. This is the circle. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Shaded part. Here, two parts are shaded. Okay, so fraction will become 2 upon 3. 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Okay, so 2 upon 3 is the fraction. Here two parts is shaded and total parts are 3. Okay, so we have written 2 upon 3. Example 3. circle, okay. Now 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 part, okay. And shaded part are shaded part are 4. Total part 5, okay. And shaded part are 4. So fraction will become four upon 5, okay. 4 is numerator, and 5 is denominator. So in this way you have learned how to fraction is made, okay. Pictorial representation of fraction. To draw a fraction, draw a rectangle and divide into as many parts as denominator, then shade as many parts as the numerator, okay. Pictorial representation. of a fraction. To draw a fraction, draw a rectangle and divide it into as many parts as the denominator then said as many parts as the numerator. In pictorial representation of a fraction, first we have to draw a fraction, draw a rectangle and divide it into as many parts as the denominator, then shade as many parts as the numerator. See here, first we made the rectangle, okay? One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. Okay. Now I want to shade 3 parts. So fraction will become total parts are A. Shaded part are 3. So fraction is 3/8. Okay, 3 is numerator, and 8 is denominator. In this way, any pictorial representation you can do. Okay, I see more. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and here 4 part I said. One part is non-shaded. Okay, total part 5, shaded parts 4, fraction 4 upon 5. 4 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Okay, in this way any pictorial represent you can show the fractions. See more. One, two, three, 4. Okay, and 1 is shaded. So fraction will be total 4, shaded 1, fraction 1 upon 4. Okay, so here 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Okay, now you have already understood how the fraction is made. Sir, I एक पीरियड पूरा करिए.